So I'm gonna do a cold start. It haven't been started for a couple days. Okay, here we go. Couple more bumps. There we go. The noise you hear in the background is the onboard compressor, which is in back behind the gas tank. There it quits right there. And that's for the air horn right here. My dog doesn't like it very much. Anyways, that's cold start. It's cold out here today too. It's like 45. And I haven't had start since, let's see, last Thursday, I think. Yeah, that's the last time I ran it. We hooked it up to the trailer, and I pulled the trailer up the road a little bit. Anyways, I'll warm up. That's transmission controller. Temperature on that's 48, but that's the temperature of the tranny right now. But here's my other gauges. This top one's head temperature. So this one will run about 235, 240 right in there. And this one's block temperature. And those sit right on 180 when both the fans are on. I got one fan set for 180. The other one, I don't have the relay put in yet, but I bought it. It's a heavy duty relay to run the second fan. The radiator is a 5-row, or I should say 4-row, 5/8" row, rated for like, I don't know, 700-800 horse. Anyways, we'll go look at the engine. It's my dog Lisa. There she be. Right now I got a Rochester quad jet 850 on here, and I don't know if it's the right carb. I got Edelbrock 750, which did pretty good, but I like messing around with stuff, so. Got that flat spot coming out, but it's still cold too. So that's that. Here's the pipes. They're smoking because they got water on them. It's nice and warm actually. Warm like bath water. So I got hooked to the trailer. Last time I pulled it with the trailer on it. So I will unhook the trailer and then make another video with it driving.